Okay, so we're given the equation that 6 sine squared x minus 5 sine x plus 1 is equal to 0 for x is between 0 and 90 degrees inclusive. So, first thing we have to notice is that we can break this up into 3 different components. So, sine squared x is sine x times sine x, sine x is just sine x, and 1 is without sine x. And we can see it resembles kind of quadratic fashion, in that if we were to replace sine x with u, we get 6u squared minus 5u plus 1 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic that we can definitely solve. So it's about looking for these key things that we can like get the first step. So now we can factor this out to get 3u, 2u minus 1 is equal to 0. So u is equal to a third or half. Now, if we were to, now we have to substitute sine x back into u. So let's bring this here. So sine x is equal to a third. Let's go with a third first. So that means when we're solving for x, which is actually what we're trying to solve for, x is equal to, and then we can put this into our green calculator. So x is equal to the inverse of sine to the third, which is equal to, let's do that right now. That's equal to roughly 19.5 degrees. And really there are more solutions to this. It like as over here, it can be anywhere in this plane, and there are actually infinite solutions, but with our bounded region, it's only till 90. So that means only this one solution is there. And if we were to look at the second solution, sine x equals half, well then x is equal to the inverse of sine half, which is equal to 30 degrees. So our two solutions are x is equal to 19.5 and 30.